Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into a powerhouse tool that is an absolute game changer for anyone working with Caterpillar machinery. I'm talking about the Caterpillar Electronic Technician, or as it's more commonly known, CATET. If you're a technician, a fleet manager, or just someone who wants to understand the inner workings of these yellow giants, this is the video for you. So, what exactly is CATET? Simply put, it's the official, factory-authorized diagnostic software, straight from Caterpillar. This isn't just some generic code reader. This is the key that unlocks the entire electronic nervous system of your CAT equipment. Think of it as having a direct conversation with the machine's brain. So, why is CATET so essential? Well, modern Caterpillar machines are incredibly complex. They're packed with sophisticated electronic control modules, or ECM, that manage everything from engine performance and fuel injection to the hydraulic system and emissions controls. When something goes wrong, a simple warning light on the dash only tells you part of the story. To truly understand the root cause of a problem, you need to go deeper, and that's precisely where CATET shines. It connects your laptop directly to the machine's diagnostic port, giving you an unprecedented level of access and control. Let's talk about what you can actually do with this software. First and foremost, diagnostics. CATET allows you to view and clear both active and logged diagnostic codes. But it goes way beyond that. You can view real-time data from hundreds of sensors across the machine. Want to know the exact engine oil pressure, turbo boost, or hydraulic pump output while the machine is running? CATET displays it all live on your screen. This real-time monitoring is invaluable for troubleshooting intermittent issues that are notoriously hard to pin down. You can see the parameters change as you operate the machine, helping you pinpoint exactly what's happening and when. Another powerful feature is the ability to perform diagnostic tests. These aren't just passive readings. These are active tests you can initiate from your laptop. For example, you can perform a cylinder cutout test to identify a weak or misfiring injector. You can manually actuate solenoids to test hydraulic circuits, or run an automatic test on the emissions after treatment system. These tests guide you through the troubleshooting process, saving you countless hours of guesswork and manual labor. Instead of tearing components apart to see if they work, you can test them electronically first. But CATET is more than just a repair tool. It's also a powerful tool for maintenance and performance tuning. You can view and reset maintenance indicators, check engine hours, and monitor fuel consumption trends to optimize your fleet's efficiency. For more advanced users, the software allows you to change system parameters. For instance, you might be able to adjust engine idle speed, set vehicle speed limits, or configure how certain attachments behave. It's important to note that changing parameters should be done with extreme caution and knowledge, as incorrect settings can affect machine performance or even cause damage. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a wheel loader is experiencing low power. The operator just says, "It feels sluggish." Without CATET, you might start by checking the fuel filters, then the air filter, maybe even the turbo. With CATET, you plug in and immediately see a logged code for low fuel rail pressure. You can then monitor the live fuel pressure while running the engine under load. You might see the pressure drop significantly, confirming the issue. You can then run specific tests on the fuel pump and injectors, quickly narrowing down the faulty component. What could have taken a full day of manual checks might now take less than an hour to diagnose accurately. That's the power of this software: efficiency and accuracy. CATET also provides access to things like the machine's configuration files. This is crucial when you're replacing a major component like an ECM. The new module needs to be programmed with the correct software file for that specific machine model and serial number. CATET is the tool that facilitates this flashing process, ensuring all systems communicate correctly. It also lets you view detailed information about every electronic module on the machine, including part numbers and software versions, which is incredibly helpful for ordering replacement parts. In summary, Caterpillar Electronic Technician is the definitive software for anyone serious about maintaining and repairing CAT equipment. It provides deep diagnostic access to the engine, hydraulics, transmission, and emissions systems. It lets you view live data, run specialized tests, calibrate components, and program control modules. It transforms troubleshooting from a game of guesswork into a precise, data-driven science. By using CAD-IT, you can reduce downtime, lower repair costs, and keep your valuable machinery running at peak performance. It's an investment that pays for itself over and over again. That's our overview of CAD-IT. It's a truly indispensable tool in the world of heavy equipment. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or experiences with CAD-IT you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Do you want to forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you do want to miss our next deep dive into the tools and tech that power our industry? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.